Welcome to the section Advanced IoT and Arduino. In this section, we are going to learn about architecture of MQTT protocol, communication with ThingSpeak using the MQTT, connecting Arduino to Internet using ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, connecting Arduino to ThingSpeak using ESP8266 MQTT. In this video, we are going to learn about architecture of MQTT protocol, communication with ThingSpeak using MQTT protocol. Introductions to MQTT protocol. MQTT is a messaging protocol. It is one of the most commonly used protocol in IoT project. It stands for Message Queuing Telemetry Transport Protocol. It is a lightweight messaging protocol used to publish and subscribe architecture to transfer data package and information. Broker and MQTT client are the two main components of MQTT protocol. MQTT client is any device that runs an MQTT library and connect to an MQTT broker over a network. If the MQTT client publishing the message, then that client known as publisher. If MQTT client subscribing message, then that client known as subscriber. Broker is responsible for receiving all message, filtering the message, determining who is subscribed to each message, and sending the message to that subscribed client. MQTT use topic of the message to determine which message goes to which client. MQTT connection is always one client and one broker. Client never connect to each other directly. There are too many broker we can be used as a cloud base like IoT.eclipse.org or HiveMQ, and some open source broker like Mosquito. Architecture of MQTT protocol. Here we can see there is one broker and the multiple clients, and according to this architecture, all clients will not able to communicate with each other directly. They can communicate through the broker, and at the place of the broker we can use some open source broker like Mosquito or the cloud-based broker like IoT.eclipse.org or MQTT.thingspeak.com or some other cloud-based broker. There's a one client who want to send their data to other client, but all of the clients will not able to communicate directly. So that client first have to publish their data to the broker using some topic name. And if other client know that topic name, they have to subscribe on the broker using the same topic name, and then the broker will transfer the data to the corresponding client. Feature of MQTT protocol. It is very simple to implement, lightweight and bandwidth efficient. It uses publish and subscribe model, which is very easy to understand. It is one-to-many messaging, means at the same time there may be the many subscriber to receive the same message. It provides a quality of service for data delivery. Quality of service or the QoS level is an agreement between the sender of a message and the receiver that define guarantee of delivery. In MQTT, there are the two sides of message delivery. First, message delivery from publishing client to the broker. Second, message delivery from broker to the subscribing client. And there are three different levels of QoS, like QoS 0, it represents at most once time. QoS 1, it represents at least once, and QoS 2, it represents exactly once they can exchange the message or data packet. the topic name that the clients use to publish or subscribe. There's a very hierarchical structure, and wildcard subscription option is also available in this protocol, connecting ThingSpeak using MQTT protocol. And now we'll be seeing how to connect to the ThingSpeak platform using the MQTT protocol, and for that we'll use MQTT.fx as MQTT client. The first, we need to download and install the MQTT.fx tool, and also we need to create an account on www.thingspeak.com. Here we can open the ThingSpeak platform on the web browser, and we can log in if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up and create a new account, and then go to the channel and click on My Channels. And here we can create a particular channel, then click on New Channel, and we can give the name of that channel like IoT data, and then we can save this particular file. You can see we created one field where we'll be monitor our data packet or the information. So here the important point is the channel ID, particular channel ID, and API key. Use of that we can connect to the our ThingSpeak field. And now you can go to MQTT.fx tool. This is the MQTT.fx tools, and it's 1.7.0 version. Then first we need to connect with the ThingSpeak. So for that, click here, and here we can put the broker address, this address of the ThingSpeak platform. Then for the MQTT, the address is mqtt.thingspeak.com. MQTT. It should be ThingSpeak, and the port number is 183. We can give the some name also like ThingSpeak. Then click on the apply and just then after we can choose the particular part here and click on the connect. Now you can see here we are getting a green kind of the signals since it is connected. Now we want to publish the data, then click on the publish, and here we can put the topic name. In the ThingSpeak there is a predefined format of topic name, and we need to use that particular part. So the first channel, then we can put the channel ID, that is 635219, and then we want to publish the data, so that publish, and we want to publish the data into the fields, then fields, and we can create a multiple fields, so we also need to give the field ID, field 1, and then we can be put our API. So we can put the to here, we can be copy and paste the right API key. That's done. Now here we can put some data that we want to send or publish to the ThingSpeak field. Now click on the publish. Now you can see we can monitor all the data from here. If we put it like now publish it, you can see we can monitor the live data from the ThingSpeak platform. You can see here, and suppose that at the same time we have a multiple field, so we can be also change the field number, and accordingly we can send the data to the same channel to the different field. So in this way we can communicate with the ThingSpeak platform using the MQTT protocol and MQTT.fx tools.